Now it's time for Ben Energy, Jan Marckhoff from Switzerland. Welcome back to EcoSummit.
Thank you.
Here we go.
Fantastic. Hello. Probably don't have to tell too much about what the energy market in Europe is going through. A lot of disruption, a lot of potential we see, and that's how we usually want to frame it. We actually see the disruption as a potential for utility companies to grow, and this is where we want to help them. We want to actually help them on their way to evolve from service provider, from utility to actually service provider. And how do we do this? This is what we do. We offer cloud-based customer intelligence software to the utility market. So in order to be a successful service provider, there are, of course, different elements involved. One central point which utility companies did not need to have over the last decades is actually a very strong understanding of their customers, a very strong idea of who the customer is they are dealing with, and an idea regarding their needs in order to serve them better as a service provider. So what do we do as a provider of intelligence software? So this is just a rough sketch to give you an idea what we do. So we connect to different sources of information. We connect to a CRM system if available. We connect to the billing system, to the metering information. We include open data. And of course, we include information we have gathered from our existing clients along the way. And this is, from our perspective, what makes it so valuable and what makes us better in retrieving relevant insights from existing information. And with all this, we retrieve information out of it, and the three key points the three key benefits we deliver to the utility company are, first of all, properties. So we give utilities an idea who the customer is. We enrich their understanding. Besides consumption data and errors data, we give them a fuller picture of actually the human and the customer behind it. So what type of heating this person has, what type of household characteristics this person has. In a second step, we also provide information about behavior, and especially about predicted behavior. So which of those customers is actually suitable for a PV installation, or which of the customers should you address if you want to promote your new heating system or smart home system, or what is it, what utilities will actually offer in the future. And the third step, the third element is also a very valuable step. It's the motivation of each customer. So once you have a better understanding of who your customer is and you have an idea regarding their needs, we also tell utility companies which motivation it is that the utility should address when addressing this customer. So is this person ecologically motivated? Is this person financially motivated? Or does he have other sources of motivation? So with this, actually, we help utilities to provide a very detailed level of customer intelligence that helps them to address every single customer individually. And the good thing about it is, from our perspective, of course, is that it works extremely well even without high-frequency data. We come from the Swiss utility market. It's of course, it's different to the German one and the other ones in Europe. But one element that is quite identical is actually the lack of availability of smart metering data. That means high-frequency data. And so with our solution, we are actually able to provide information regarding the entire customer base and do not rely on high-frequency consumption data. And here are just a few metrics and successes we have delivered with our 25 clients. So far, we have won 25 clients in Switzerland and Germany, and we still have them, which is always a good sign, we think. So we have increased customer satisfaction, we have reduced service costs, we have delivered energy savings, and we have increased campaign success significantly, and this is actually our value proposition to the utility company and to the utility market. Thank you very much.
Jan, do you realize we have the same first name?
I know.
Okay. That's how you can remember him. And how much money do you look for?
We are actually, I had a slide, we are just this close to actually closing our first angel round, and it always takes longer than expected. There's just some legal issues. So actually, for this moment, we are actually quite happy just having closed this round, or will be closing hopefully by the end of the month. And then, of course, this is what I learned early on, is actually it never stops looking for money. So we will definitely sit together with the angels to look for a decent investment science, probably Q1 next year. A low single-digit million would probably be realistic in Q1 next year.
And if one of the utilities in the room would like to invest, you would actually move up from quite happy to very happy, right?
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. Talk to him. I think it's a great company. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Jan.
Jan.